car A, which is traveling at a constant velocity of 15 meters per second, passes car B, which is stationary at t is equal to 0. At the instant that is being passed, car B begins to move, accelerating at a constant rate of 0.1 meter per second square in the direction in which car A is traveling. At what speed will car B will be traveling as it passes car A?
The informations given in the equations are: car A is moving at constant velocity of 15 meters per second. So we already know the constant velocity equation is that a distance over time. Using that equation, we will get the distance, which is the distance traveled by car A, which is S1. Suppose we can take it as, we can take it as S1. So S1 is the distance traveled by car A. Substituting in the above equation, we can get that S1 is equal to 15t, because V is 15 meter per second and t is unknown, which we can consider as equation number 1. Now comes the case of car B. Car B was stationary at time is equal to 0. But when car A passes car B, the same instant car B also starts moving with a constant acceleration of 0.1 meter per second square. Here we can take S2 to be the distance traveled by car B. So the kinematic equation for distance is using here, that is S is equal to ut plus half at square. As we already know, car B is starting from rest, so initial velocity u is 0 and acceleration is given as 0.1 meter per second square. Substituting these values in the equation for S2, we get S2 is equal to half times 0.1 times t square, which is equation number 2. Now we want to know where these two cars would meet. So for both car A and car B to meet, they must cover equal distance in same time. That is, S1 should be equal to S2. Here we can equate equation number 1 and equation number 2. So on equating, we will get 15t is equal to half times 0.1 times t square, and we can just simply find, because on the left hand side there is a single t and right hand side there is a t square, which so a single t can be cancelled on both the sides. So the equation will reduce to 15 is equal to half times 0.1 times t. If you equate for t, that means keeping t on the right hand side, you can take the values, the numbers to the left hand side of the equation, then you will get t is equal to 300 seconds. So that is a very that is a new thing we understood, that is t is equal to 300 seconds. That 300 seconds both car A and car B would meet. Now we want to find what will be the velocity of car B when they are meeting each other. So in order to find the velocity of car B, we have the informations like a time is 300 seconds, initial velocity is 0 and acceleration is 0.1 meter per second square. Now substituting these values in the kinematic equation of velocity, that is v is equal to u plus at, we can easily get V is equal to 0.1 times 300 times 0.1 times 300, which is V is equal to 0.1 times 300, where we get 300 into zero point 0.1, that is velocity is equal to 30 meter per second. So car B will be traveling at 30 meter per second as it passes car A. This is Teach Me Physics by Nita Das. Thank you for watching.